They say you can actually surf on waves created by an explosion. To test that out, the Mythbusters decided to try a surfing experiment using 200 pounds of TNT. First, they moved their robot down to the lakeside for some paddle tests. To pinpoint the best spot for the explosives, the three of them boarded a survey boat. The scanners showed that the lakebed gradually rose from south to north, a shape that makes it easier for big waves to form. Once they locked in the blast zone, they called in a demolition expert. With his help, they dropped 50 pounds of TNT into 30 feet of water. The blast shook the ground hard, but the waves that reached the shore were only a few centimeters high. So they tried again, this time placing the explosives at a shallower depth of 13 feet. That blast created a wave about 12 inches tall, but still nowhere near strong enough to push a surfboard forward. Determined to create a monster wave, the team went all in and dumped the remaining 200 pounds of TNT into the lake at once. The big question was, would this explosion finally generate a wave strong enough to surf? As Grant guided the robot toward the blast site, they triggered the detonation. This time, the explosion kicked up a massive surge of water, but by the time the robot caught up, the wave had already rolled past under the board. Worse still, the energy of the wave kept dying out as it spread. In the end, the idea that you can surf on an explosion-driven wave turned out to be complete nonsense. And let's be clear, if a real person tried this, they wouldn't stand a chance. This experiment was extremely dangerous. Please do not try this under any circumstances.